When your body and mind are out of sync, stress hormones rise, blood flow decreases, and desire fades, often leading to poor intimacy and erectile dysfunction. Reiki helps restore that balance by calming the nervous system and reducing cortisol levels. This deep relaxation improves circulation, supports hormonal balance, and allows the body to function at its natural, healthy rhythm, all essential for sexual vitality. It also works through your body's energy centers, your chakras. The root chakra supports grounding and vitality. The sacral chakra enhances pleasure and creativity, and the heart chakra reopens emotional connection. By clearing emotional blockages like guilt, shame, or fear, Reiki helps your body realign its natural energy and hormonal balance, restoring confidence, intimacy, and overall well-being. Reiki healing. Boost your healing journey. Rest, restore, reconnect.